Okay, so I did Recreational Equipment Inc. I did REI's YouTube channel, and I followed a specific series called Miranda in the Wild, which is about a young lady who goes on various adventures, testing out products, giving reviews, and making recommendations. When it comes to optimization, REI does keywords, titles, and descriptions very well. The titles are specific and they're about topics like e-bikes, energy bars, or backpacking. So if you search REI e-bikes, you get the video. Uh, Descriptions are detailed and repeat the keywords. The descriptions give a good synopsis of what the video is about. It has specific calls to action like shop my gear closet, along with links to the products that are featured on rei.com. The videos are leveraged with end screens, which suggest a related topic or prompt the viewer to get caught up with the series. Things I would do to further optimize the video: I would create YouTube cards featuring an upcoming professionally produced video that they have on climbing that they're teasing throughout the channel. Thumbnails would make the videos pop and differentiate the topics. More YouTube cards for, like I said, upcoming videos. They could do donations on YouTube card, because REI is all about giving 70% of their proceeds to things like trail maintenance, ecology, stewardship. So they could do a donation drive for one of those charities or causes. They could do polls, which they could ask for a review of what they think of the product. They could ask what they like about the video. Adding transcripts would further optimize the videos, and adding tags. That's something they're not doing right now. They don't have a tag. The content's really rich. Anything you can think of to do with the outdoors, from tying a knot to climbing a mountain, anything you can think of to do with the outdoors. The content is both inspirational and educational. And in this specific series, Miranda in the Wild, it's kind of a combination of a vlog, an event, and product review, using the main character, who could be considered an influencer of sorts, who is telling a customer story. It's published regularly every Sunday, and it has playlists about specific topics like climb, snowboard, snowshoe, training, paddle, cycle, run. So the playlists are pretty extensive and have specific topics. The influencer engages with the audience by asking them to comment if they want to see more of the same topic. Recommendations I would make to increase the content strategies: I'd recommend doing a YouTube live, which could be done every Sunday and coincide with the video release while being promoted in each video throughout the channel. And they could also embed the video on the website, which would give the video more viewing traffic.